Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create email templates in Outlook. So the way we are going to do this is I'm going to show you by creating a new message. I'm going to go ahead and delete everything here, and I just want to write a template that I have created. So I'm going to go ahead and paste it here. There you go. And yeah, let's say for example from this one we're going to go ahead and click the apps here, my templates. If you don't have it yet, just go ahead and search it from the apps and then continue. So I'm going to go ahead and click template, and then the title is going to be the subject that I'm going to be using. And then here is the content. So I'm going to go ahead and paste it here. So let's just go ahead and change this. All right, now once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and click the save button right here, and you can see that now it is here. So yeah, if say for example, I'm going to use this to reply to this particular message, I'm just going to hit the reply, and then we're going to go ahead and choose apps, my templates, and then I can go ahead and click this, and you can see that it's not there. So I can go ahead and then basically just change all of the things that I need to do here. And yep, once that's done, I can go ahead and now send this one. Click send, and I am good to go. So yeah, that's how you're going to create email templates in Outlook.